Hello YouTubers, I'm Parvez and this is our second video in PyQtCharts. So in the previous video we have learned that how you can create a percent bar chart in PyQtChart. So this is a nice example. So now in this video I want to show you that how you can create a line chart or line series. So I have already created some codes, some boilerplate codes. It's just a simple window that I don't want to repeat the codes, and I have a just simple window, and I have some imports. So from QWidgets I have Q application and Q main window, and from QtChart I have QChart, QChart view, and QLineSeries. So now from QtQB I need QPinter, and from QtCore I need Qt. Also I need to add QPyQt5 from QtCore. Now after this, let me just create a method in here. Let me call it div create line chart or line series, whatever you want. After this we need to create the object of our QLineSeries, and now we need to append some data to this series. So let me just copy the data. So these are the data we have appended to our series. These are some points. And also let me bring it in here, and these are some PyQt that we have added to the series like this. After this, now we need to create our chart in here. So let me call it chart, and it is a QChart. And after this we need to add the series to the chart. So add series, and we are going to add the chart. We are going to add this series to our chart. So this is not chart, this is series, sorry, series. Okay, now after this we need to set an animation. So chart dot set animation options, and we are using QChart dot it is a series animation, so series animation. And also you can set a titles for this. So set title, and let me give it line chart example. Okay, so I have said that now we have created our line series and our data, and we have created our chart. We have added the series to our chart. Now after that we need to create a chart view, and we need to add this chart to the chart view. So first let me just create legend for this source. Also I want legend dot set visible and make it true, and chart dot legend dot set alignment, and it is qt dot alignment bottom. Okay, now after this we need to create our chart view, and we will add our chart to the chart view. So chart view QChart view, and we are going to, okay, so we need to add our chart in here. And now chart view dot set render height, and we are going to make it QPinter dot anti-aliasing. Okay, so after this we need to make this chart view as a central widget of our main window. So you can use self dot set central widget, and we are going to add our chart view in here. Okay, so this completed. Now we need to call our self dot create line chart in here. Now let me just run this. We have, okay, I think, yeah, now you can see we have a nice line chart, and also we have a nice animation for the chart, and you can make it bigger like this. So thank you guys. I will add the source code to the video description. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and also share the video.